Hello, good afternoon everyone. Now we'll understand about sex determination in various organisms. Hermann Henking in 1891, he was observing spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis refers to how the sperm synthesis occurs in insects like wasp. When he observed the sperm cells, 50% of the sperm cells showed 12 chromosomes, remaining 50% was lacking 1 chromosomes. So there was an additional chromosome with the mysterious activity or mysterious structure, and it was named as X element. Later on it went on to become X chromosome, and it was found to be involved in deciding what is going to be the sex of an individual. So, chromosomes present in an individual can be classified into autosomes and allosomes. Autosomes are body chromosomes, they decide body characters, whereas allosomes are the sex chromosome, which will decide whether the individual is going to be a male or whether it is going to be a female. Autosomes are same in both male and female. Example, if you take humans have 46 chromosome or 23 pairs of chromosome. In that 22 pairs are autosomes, same in both man and women, but it is the allosome which differs. If you consider insects, example grasshopper, in them what kind of sex determination is seen? Sex determination refers to what kind of allosomes which will decide the sex. It is XXXO type of mechanism of sex determination. What is XXXO? 2n is equal to, 2n refers to autosome. Autosome is same. In female grasshopper insects, they have 2 similar X chromosome, whereas males will be having 1 less X chromosome. When they undergo gametogenesis, females produce 2 similar type of gamete, n plus x haploid, whereas male will be producing 1 sperm with n plus x, another sperm with n without any X chromosome. Since two types of gametes are produced by the male, it is called male heterogametic. Then if there is fertilization between sperm and egg, suppose if the sperm fertilizes the egg, then 2n plus x, 2x if it comes, it is female. If a sperm without x fertilizes the egg, then it is going to be a male. Whenever there is 1 less chromosome, it is considered as male. That is XXXO mechanism. XXXY is a second type of mechanism of sex determination found in humans and Drosophila, where human females will be having 2 X chromosome, males will be having X and Y chromosome, only 1 X chromosome is there. So female during gametogenesis produces 2 similar gametes, or however gametes they produce, it will be similar, but males will be producing 2 types of sperm carrying X chromosome, sperm carrying Y chromosome, and it is the male sperm which is going to decide whether the future individual should be female or male. How? If male sperm carrying X fertilizes the egg, then it is going to be a female. The male sperm carrying Y fertilizes the egg, then it is going to be a male. So in humans, Drosophila, grasshopper, insects, it is the male which will be deciding what is going to be the sex of an individual. Whereas when it comes to birds as well as snakes, they exhibit ZZZW type of sex determination. A unique chromosome was observed apart from those X chromosome. What is that? 2n number is same in both male and female, but male is homogametic. 2 similar Z chromosomes are seen. Female is heterogametic. So who is going to decide the sex of a newly born individual? It is a female in snakes. It is female in birds like chickens, which will be deciding what is going to be the new chick or a new snake which is going to be born. Male will be producing 2 similar sperms, homogametic, but females will be producing dissimilar 2 types of eggs, one with Z chromosome, one with W chromosome, and it is the fertilization. If the egg is fertilized by the sperm, then it is going to be a male, two similar Z chromosome if it is there, it is male. Suppose if it is a chicken, rooster is born. If the egg, if the sperm fertilizes egg carrying W chromosome, then ZW condition will come and it is going to be the hen in case of chicken, or it is going to be a female. So female heterogamety is unique in birds and snakes. That means compared to those two groups, in birds it is a female who is going to decide the sex of the individual. Thank you for watching.